So you got to make sure you force him to the screen. Know what the defensive game plan is on those.
Klay Thompson, a good look, and he was already running back.
But offensively, they're one of the best in the league, and they really take care of the ball.
Klay Thompson missing there, but Draymond the rebound. Klay on a reload three and drops it in. So Klay's hit 2 threes already. Klay Thompson and Capella met Kuminga up top. Nice defense. And Klay, they trade 3 for 2 instead of a Kuminga dunk. Getting on the deck, and here come the Dubs. Klay to D. Lee. Ooh. And then guess who tracked it down? Porter again. Klay, reload 3, running back. That's a little homage to Steph right there. He hit that 3.
Making sure he's finding guys where they like it, like right there.
Draymond setting screens on the perimeter. Got Klay another one.
That's such a tough shot.
Draymond setting up Wiggins. Tell you, Andrew, you could break up the splits as Peyton bats it back out to Klay. He's got 22.
That's the challenge for the Warriors. When they don't shoot the 3-ball well, can you still be effective? Can you still have a good quarter? They weren't able to in that third.
Klay Thompson, good look at a 3 there.
Or you just start making threes, and that helps your offense.
That is a great idea.
Yes.
And they keep adding the scores on the other end. Atlanta had been shooting 55% for the game. Klay Thompson hits a 3. And Nate McMillan immediately calls the timeout.
The GP2 just played without fouling, made that a tough little floater.
Klay, deep 3. Got it!
Uh-oh. Scary hours.